Let's talk about the letter M in Portuguese because it doesn't always sound the way you think. When M is at the beginning or middle of a word, it's just like in English. Mamãe, mesa, amor, menina, muito. But when M is at the end of a syllable or a word, it changes. It doesn't sound like M anymore. It nasalizes the vowel before it. Bom, com, sim, também, homem. You don't really pronounce the M. You just nasalize the vowel. And what about or ain endings? Those are nasal endings too. Irmão, coração, também, alguém. Learn Portuguese with us. Send us a message and book your free trial class today.